In the second part of this tutorial, we'll be placing various types of holes according to the instructions given in class. Now, the first type we'll be placing is called the coaxial hole. So select the hole tool, click on placement. Now, a coaxial hole is defined by an axis and a placement surface. So you could select the axis, change your filter to axis, select the axis. Notice that this hole is placed along the axis, but since there is no placement surface, that it could slide up and down the axis. So what you need to do is add a placement surface. Hold down the control key, change your filter to surface, and select this surface. Now notice the way the dashboard is set up for the hole feature. You work left to right. So it's a simple hole. It's the correct shape. You can change the diameter, which is 1.5, and the depth for 4 units. So type in 4, and you could accept. That was the first hole. Now, in the next part, we'll be creating a linear hole that's placed on the surface here. So click on hole, placement, change your filter to surface, and select this surface. Now you need the references. These are called the placement drag handles. So drag this one to this edge, and the other one to this edge. Now if you're not sure, just click on them and you'd see them change. Modify the distance to 1 unit for each. Go back to the dashboard, work left to right. The diameter is 1.25, and the depth is through all, and accept. The third type of hole we'll be placing is a standard hole. Now, standard holes come from tables. There are predefined holes. So click on the hole tool, select standard, UNC, which is Unified National Course. Click on placement. Now this is going to be placed on the datum point. So you want to change your filter to datum point and select. Now notice with the datum point, that's all you need, because a point already is defined using a surface. So next we'll have to go down the dashboard options, left to right. The size is 3/4-10. Now notice you're not going to be able to see all these, so there is a little sliding bar here. And as you slide it down, you'll be able to see more. And that's 3/4-10. The depth is through all. And make sure you select the counter bore and accept. Now notice annotations here. That's all the specifications for that hole. Now this kind of gets annoying every now and again. If you have more than one hole, it's going to clutter your drawing, so you could turn that off. You see that purple outline? That indicates thread. Now, one more thing we need to add to thread, so I'll go back to that third hole, edit definition, and under shape, you want to change the thread here from variable to through thread, and accept. This should conclude the second part of the whole feature tutorial.